So lately I've been getting a lot of my inventory completely for free, and I'm going to share with you guys exactly my method of how I do this. Hey guys, Chris here, also known as Mr. Thrifter, and for those of you who don't know, I sell used books on Amazon via FBA, and I typically don't like to spend anything more than $3 per book that I source. So my average is about like $0 to $3. I typically don't like to go over $3 unless I know that I'm making a lot of money with the books that I'm gonna buy. So with that said, my current Amazon FBA inventory is around 800 items at this point, and about 750 of those items are items that I got completely for free. Okay, so lately I've been getting a lot of my inventory completely for free, and I'm going to share with you guys exactly my method of how I do this. So when we go into a thrift store and we scan books on the shelf for sourcing inventory, that is considered the most normal way to get inventory for FBA. It's pretty much most people who source inventory get it from thrift stores, and this method is great. It works very well. You could easily leave with a box of books to send into Amazon, but there's always been two flaws that I've never liked about this, and the first one being that you're obviously paying for these books, and let's be honest, thrift stores have definitely increased prices lately for used books, so that's never a good thing. And number two, you are actively competing with other resellers. So when you go and scan books on the shelf, you are potentially scanning through a row of books that somebody else just scanned through an hour ago. So you could be going through scraps and duds, wasting your time and wasting your money by doing this. So I was thinking to myself, I thought to myself, and I said, well, how can I get to these used books before other resellers get a chance to scan through them? And on top of that, how can I get these books completely for free? And that's when I came up with my free book removal service ad that I made. And essentially what this is, it's an ad that I place on Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist and other buy and sell websites. And essentially it just says, hey guys, I'm going to come to you to pick up the books that you no longer want, the CDs that you no longer want, and the DVDs that you no longer want. Essentially any type of media that you no longer want, all you got to do is just put it into some boxes and then place those boxes on the porch outside. That's all you have to do. You don't have to worry about me coming into your house. You don't have to worry about what time I'm coming. All you got to do is just put it onto a porch and I will pick it up the following day. Very easy for people. And the reason why people love this is because people who donate to thrift stores, most of the time they're donating what is in their eyes junk, and they don't want it. So a lot of people, they don't want to drive to a physical location. They don't want to spend money on gas. So when I give them the option of avoiding all that work, of me coming directly to their door, it's a much better option to a lot of people. So of course, 9 times out of 10, people are going to choose my ad over driving to a local thrift store to get rid of stuff. And so it works great. Just yesterday, I picked up books from 3 people, and after I picked up from everybody, I went to my storage unit, I dropped off the books there, and from there, I store them, and when I'm ready to, I bring a few boxes back home with me, I scan them in my garage, and then it is there where I put the good ones into an Amazon box and ship it out, and then I take the bad ones and I either donate them back to people who need them, or I just drop them off at thrift stores again. So it's a very easy process, very simple process. It's a system that works well for me, and it's going great. It's going great. Now, I'm not saying this is going to work for everybody. I'm not saying it's going to work for you. I'm just showing and sharing with you guys my method of how I'm conducting my Amazon FBA business. I'm not a guru. I'm not someone who knows everything about Amazon. I'm just out there showing you different ways of acquiring and sourcing inventory. I like to share ideas, and I like to talk to other resellers and learn off each other. So I really hope you guys learned something from this video. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys want to let other people know about your business strategies or your ideas for acquiring and sourcing inventory, let me know down in the comments below. I'm very fast at responding. I love when people talk, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.